Hello everyone! Welcome to this video, How to Fertilize Plants Scientifically. Today, we will provide a detailed introduction on how to use a fertilizer sprayer for efficient fertilization. Our manual test data shows a water pressure of 40.61 psi. If your water pressure is similar, please refer to the manual for test results of each dial to select the appropriate fertilization gear. Recommended using setting 1. Water pressure is a key factor in determining fertilizer concentration. If there is a significant difference between your water pressure and the test water pressure, you cannot directly use the data in the instruction manual. Here is a method to obtain fertilizer blending data that suits you. First, we need to measure the water output of a pot of fertilizer sprayed by the fertilizer sprayer. Using a measuring cup, we tested the water output with setting 1. You can get the water output by consuming 1 ounce of liquid fertilizer in the pot without having to spray a whole pot of fertilizer. Set the sprayer to settings 1, assuming 1 ounce of fertilizer is drawn in and results in 1 gallon of water. The pot's capacity is 16 ounces. So the water output to consume a pot of fertilizer is equivalent to 16 times the volume of 1 gallon, which totals to 16 gallons. Next, we will calculate the amount of fertilizer based on this water output. Keeping the sprayer in setting 1, we now demonstrate how to prepare solid and liquid fertilizers. For solid fertilizers, mix according to the recommended ratio of 1 to 1,000. Add about 60 grams of fertilizer per 16 gallons of water. Dissolve about 60 grams of the solid fertilizer in 16 ounces of water. Stir well, and then pour it into the fertilizer pot. The concentration of fertilizer sprayed is suitable for your plant. For liquid fertilizers, taking Miracle Gross as an example, assuming the ratio is 1 ounce to gallons of water. According to our water output, 16 gallons is 8 times more than 2 gallons. So add approximately 8 ounces of Miracle Gross solution to the pot. Mix 8 ounces of Miracle Gross liquid fertilizer with 8 ounces of water. Then pour the mixture into the fertilizer pot. The sprayed fertilizer will be at the ideal concentration for your plants. The experiment shows that confirming water pressure and water output is crucial for scientific fertilization. The correct fertilizer ratio ensures the healthy growth of plants. Today's experiment is over. We hope this test helps everyone fertilize scientifically. If you have any questions, please leave a comment to discuss. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. See you next time.